A lot of time and attention in the campaigns of the other two major candidates and their parties has focused on federal income taxes. Who's paying how much, who isn't paying their fair share, and the very notion of what is fair. I'd like to propose the establishment of a blue ribbon committee to consider overhauling our federal income tax system. Currently, Americans pay federal taxes in a progressive system, meaning the higher your income, the greater the percentage you'll pay in taxes. While many would argue that this system has its merits, be they based on ability to pay or some moral imperative, in its implementation, this system has been less than effective. In many cases, those whose income should make them liable for carrying a greater tax burden have been able to take advantage of deductions, credits, exemptions, and schemes to avoid taxation. The net result of which leaves persons with comparatively or literally lower incomes paying a greater portion of their earned income in federal taxes. Hence, the complaint that rich guys benefit from all the loopholes in our tax system. That being the case, I want to look at the feasibility of moving to a percentage or flat rate income tax. In a percentage-based tax system, taxpayers would all pay the same portion of their income in federal taxes, thus the nickname flat tax. For the sake of easy to understand math, let's use a number like 15%. Under a flat rate tax system, the high school kid who earns $2,000 a year flipping hamburgers at McDonald's would have a federal income tax bill of $300. The superstar professional athlete whose salary and endorsements total $10 million a year would have the same 15% tax rate or a bill of $1.5 million. Everyone pays the same percentage or proportion of their income. It's just that the dollar amounts vary. Simple. Of course, this brings up the issue of deductions, credits, and exemptions. In a true flat tax system, these would be eliminated. Part of the study committee's charge would be to review the value and viability of the current allowable deductions, targeting their elimination, gradual phase-out, or sustainability. It may also be possible that some revisions or new deductions could be proposed. All this brings us to the issue of fairness. Fair is a very subjective concept. What one person feels is fair, another person may strongly disagree with. So, instead of debating whether a progressive or percentage tax structure is more fair, let's consider what's more equitable, more viable, and more sustainable. And keep it simple, Sally. Have a happy Labor Day.